Alright guys, welcome back. Let's go and take a look at what happened today on stocks today. So here we go on Virgin Galactic. So I was talking the other day about, here we go on the daily, huge run up, as you guys can see, from 1, 2, 3, 4 days ago we had 42% run up, right? So very, very good. So I was talking about a couple days ago about this double top here. Then we came down and finally broke, and then we've had 1, 2, 3, 4 days of uptrend. So if we want to zoom in, show you guys what was going on. So I actually sold in this area and then ended up not buying it back. But this is actually a bull flag with the long run up, and then some consolidation, and then the break here, and then further continuation. So we'll see. It would be interesting to see what happens on Tuesday. So with that being said, it's going to zoom into the 5-minute chart, give you guys a better picture of what's happening here. Okay, so let's see. So yeah, when that bull flag break, definitely that was a buy signal. What I was looking at in the morning when I sold is we saw, I actually ended up selling here, I believe. We were very oversold here, and I was like, yeah, just take profits, but kept going, and then we had this really good consolidation. The stock held up great. And then we had a dip right here, and I was looking back at previous support, back at about this 26, and we went a little bit lower, but not for very long. The dips got bit up, the wicks got bit. Bought up pretty good, and then end of the day, a lot of people buying because of the news that came out. The second spaceship is being moved to New Mexico, and a lot of people are buying for anticipation of the 3-day weekend. So Tuesday, a lot of people expecting, over the weekend, a lot of people are going to see the news. So a lot of people expecting people to put buy orders in for Tuesday. So that's what's happening on space. I was going to look at Tesla. So Tesla, let's check out the daily. It looks like we're in, basically what I'm looking for is a high of 971, a low at 686. Now we're looking like we're coming up and establishing a lower high. Anything lower than 971 would be a lower high. If you go ahead and zoom into the hourly, what I'm looking at is this 819, 818, basically a double top. So that's going to be some key resistance there. So, and then a low would be 735. So these are key resistance. We cannot pass that, but we're kind of finishing strong towards that resistance, right? So you have support right here at 735, so that's your support. And a breakout, if anything, if we broke out above this 818, especially on the 5-minute chart, above this 818, if we can get a candlestick to finish above that 818, then we'll probably be looking for a breakout. Then we're looking for the 15-minute chart, and we'll probably get a run up because the next support after that will be the 968. So, and if we do get a breakout, I'll be looking for possibly a lower high to form, unless we get a blue sky breakout. If we get a blue sky breakout, then we'll see further upside on that. There's one more I want to show you guys. Whoops, the wrong ticker there. GNPX. So take a look at this one on the daily chart. So if you would have bought this thing January 20th, right? Back when it was 40 cents, and you would have sold at the very top, you would be up 1,327%. Pretty freaking crazy, right? So of course nobody would have expected it to be going up that crazy. But let's just look at what happened today. It's going to zoom into the 15-minute chart. So what I'm looking at for the 15-minute chart is this. So we had this gap up in the morning, and what I'm looking at is this equilibrium pattern with a high, a low, lower high, and now it looks like we are forming, possibly, we'll have to wait until Tuesday to confirm this, but we could have the lower high set right there, and we could be coming back up. So what you're looking for is a break. It's going to get tighter and tighter and tighter trading ranges until one of these breaks. And when one of these breaks, we're going to see a breakout, and we're going to see further runs. So these are really the three stocks that I'm looking. Well, mostly the two that I'm looking at, plus Tesla for Tuesday. So if you guys are playing these, but I'm probably going to be playing this and Virgin Galactic SPCE, looking into Tuesday. But yeah, a lot of eyes are going to be on this on Tuesday, right? Because everyone's got all weekend to really look at these charts and analyze them, and all the news and all the YouTube videos that have come out. So I'm excited to see what's going to happen on Tuesday, guys. See you guys in the next video.